Welcome to Warner Brothers Discovery, where imagination meets storytelling. For over 100 years, we've been shaping the future of entertainment, bringing legendary stories to audiences worldwide. From epic blockbusters to groundbreaking television, every frame, every sound, every story is crafted to inspire. Creativity drives everything we do, and that's where I come in. As a film editor and a visual storyteller, I bring immersive visual, seamless transitions, and powerful storytelling to every project. Let's create unforgettable stories together. Let's create with Warner Brothers Discovery.
As time goes by, Warner Brothers keeps entertaining the world. We would like to thank audiences everywhere as we proudly celebrate 75 years of making the moments and the memories that make dreams come true the world over.